Hi, I'm Carmelia Ray, professional matchmaker and relationship expert. I've been in the dating industry for over 27 years. I work with high-achieving men, CEOs, and business owners that are seeking an exceptional woman as a life partner. If you're a busy professional and don't have time to waste swiping through a dating app, professional matchmaking is the way to go. We screen and qualify all potential candidates so that you're not having to figure out if this is someone that can meet you at your level. The next step is to complete a confidential profile so that we'll be able to create a complete strategy to help you achieve your relationship goals. Sheryl Sandberg, the COO of Facebook, said, "Finding the right partner is probably the most important career choice you'll make." I could not agree more. If you're tired and frustrated of meeting the wrong types, you know your value, and you want to up-level your dating life, this is the place to be.